Good morning, student. Now, the same chapter, linear programming problems. Yesterday I discussed exercise 12.1, but today, now exercise 12.2. What are the difference between 12.1 and 12.2? 12.2 is a word problem. It's the first step, then make equation. अगर आपको equation बनाना आ गई, then next procedure is the same of 12.1. So, exercise 12.2 now, question number first thing now 3 to 4 times, read this question. Then next one, which is two mixed type. Next two type food, P and Q. And such way the vitamin of contain of the mixture contain at least 8 unit of vitamin A and 11 unit of vitamin B. And now food P cost rupees 60 rupees per kg. Food Q cost 80 rupees per kg. Now food P contain 3 unit of vitamin A, 5 unit of vitamin B. Same while food Q, then 4 unit of vitamin A and 2 unit of vitamin B. Now determine the minimum cost. So in maximum 80 to 90% question में equation बनाने के लिए first thing now write the table. Then exercise 12.2 and question number first. Then write the table. Table के कोई marks नहीं, but table से आपकी equation accurate बनेगी. First thing now, this is the food P and this is the food Q. And now this side is now contain, and contain is vitamin A and vitamin P. Now this side is a requirement कि आपको विटामिन ए की कितनी रिक्वायरमेंट है, विटामिन बी की कितनी रिक्वायरमेंट है. एंड नाउ दिस साइड इज कॉस्ट या प्रॉफिट. स्टूडेंट आप जानते हो कि ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन जेड या तो कॉस्ट से बनता है या प्रॉफिट से बनता है. नाउ फर्स्ट थिंग, नाउ द थर्ड लाइन, रीड द थर्ड लाइन. एंड 3 unit food P contain is 3 unit of vitamin A and 5 unit of vitamin B. But food Q contain now is 4 unit of vitamin A and 2 unit of vitamin B. And now the requirement is given, second line is requirement is given at least 8 unit of vitamin A and 11 unit of vitamin B. At least 11 unit. And now cost is given than 60 rupees per kg is food QP and food Q is 80 rupees per kg. So first thing, find the minimum cost, यानी कि minimize Z find करना है. Determine the minimum cost, that means minimum Z. और Z objective function जो होता है cost से बनता है या profit से बनता है. First thing ऊपर front पे, then now write the two line. Let the number of food P be X and let the number of food Q be Y. Right? That means the Z objective function 60X plus 80Y. This is the first objective function. And now second thing, subject to constraint. Yeah, that means condition, first condition 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y. Right? 8, at least 8 unit requirement है विटामिन ए की. At least that means greater than equals to. जब भी at least sign है, that means greater than equals to, और at most है, that means less than equals to. So this is the first condition. And now second condition, 5x plus 2y. 5x plus 2y and at least 11 unit, that means greater than equals to 11. And last condition, every question में x and y is greater than equals to 0. This is the last condition. That means आपका feasible region is only first quadrant. Okay, now look here. This is equation. Starting is this. अगर आपने equation right बनाएंगे, the next procedure is the same. 12.1 exercise to 12.1 में procedure. First thing, this is the first linear inequalities. This is the second inequality. Now this is there are two corresponding equations, right? एक linear equation को graph पे draw करने के लिए only 2 point. 1 point on the x-axis, second point on y-axis. On x-axis y is 0, so then x की value 8 by 3, and x 0, so that y is 2. So this is 2 point. Same second linear equalities की corresponding equation 5x plus 2y equals to 11. Then again 2 point on x-axis y is 0, then x is 11 by 5, but x is 0, that is 11 by 2. Now solving first and second and find the intersection point, that is the midpoint. So now solving, then 2.5 is the intersection point. Now draw the graph. First thing, there are this is x y axis, this is x axis. Now the scale is a 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit on x axis and on y axis same scale. But now first linear equation को draw करना है, that is the first point 8 by 3. 8 by 3 that means 2.6. That is a 1 and 2 and 2.5, that is a 2.6 is 8 by 3 comma 0, that is A point. Now the B point is x equals to 0, y equals to 2, 1 and 2, this is B point. Joining A and B point, this is equation of line, first linear equation. And now the another linear equation, that is there are 2 points C and D. 11 by 5 that is 2.5, that is 2.5 C point, 11 by 5. Comma 0, and now D point is a 0 comma 11 by 2, that is a 5.5, that is a D point. Now join C to D, that is second linear equation, 5x plus 2y equals to 11. Okay, now intersection point, midpoint A2 comma half. But now the shaded region, which side, towards origin, yeah, away to origin, then depend on 0, 0. Now substitute x is 0, y is 0, that means 0 is greater than equals to 8. This is false. Then false, agar true hota to towards origin. False है, that means away to origin. Then 2 arrows, right? Then this linear equation का shaded region, that is away to origin. And now second thing is the second linear equation, again same 0, 0, 0 is greater than 11, that is again false. That means is linear equation का shaded region be away to origin. But now the common shaded region, this is common shaded region only first quadrant, this is common shaded region. There are 3 corner point D, E and A. So now is the last corner points and Z objective function, right, D, E, A. Right, bonus x is 0 and y is 11 by 2, that is the result is value of z is 440. Same 2 comma half, that is the 160, 8 by 3 पे 160. So now find the minimum z. So minimum z, there are two values, E and A. So this is the answer, minimum value of z is 160. Minimum value of z is 160 at a point E and A. So finally answer, minimum value of z is 160. Then is the final result, minimum value of z is 160 at point, which points? There are 2 points. One is the E point 2 comma 1 by 2 and is the another point is 8 by 3 comma 0. This is answer. But now this feasible reason is unbounded. So bounded ho to no problem, but unbounded hai, so that is the last 4 line. Since feasible reason is unbounded, therefore 160 may or may not minimum value of z. यानी कि 160 मिनिमम वैल्यू हो भी सकती है, नहीं भी हो सकती, बट कंफर्म कैसे करें, चेक कैसे करें कि ये 160 इज अ करेक्ट आंसर और नॉट, राइट? चेक करने के लिए नाउ ड्रॉ द लीनियर inequalities. Which linear inequalities? Then value of z is 160 equals to 60x plus 80y. Now 60x plus 80y minimum है, that means less than, or maximum हो, so that is greater than 160. Now simplify this linear inequalities, dividing by 0, 6x plus 8y is less than equals to less than 16. Dividing by 2, 2 3s are, 2 4s are and 2 8s are. As linear equalities को ग्राफ पे ड्रॉ करने के लिए फाइंड 2 पॉइंट्स P and Q, then y is 0, तो then x is 8 by 3. But now is x is 0, तो that is y is 2. And this point is also available. ये दोनों पॉइंट्स मैं ग्राफ पे शो करूँगा. तो सपोज इस क्वेश्चन में सेम आ गए, बट डिफरेंट आते तो डिफरेंट, उसको शो करना है. ये दिस इज 0,2, दिस इज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट, एंड 8 by 3, 0, दिस इज A point. Now joining and dotted line, देन द ड्रॉ द दिस लीनियर इक्विटीज। अगर ये लीनियर इक्विटीज फिजिबल रीजन से पास हो रही होती है दिस साइड, तो दिस इज 160 हैज नो मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ z, बट ये पास नहीं हो रही है, इसका मतलब 160 विजिबल है, इसका मतलब 160 मिनिमम वैल्यू है। तो आपको लिखना होगा ओपन हाफ प्लेन, ओपन हाफ प्लेन। यू नो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज हाफ प्लेन बट ओपन साइड में है, इसलिए इसको बोलते हैं ओपन हाफ प्लेन। ओपन हाफ प्लेन has no common point, no common points with visible reason, मतलब फिजिबल रीजन में कोई कॉमन पॉइंट नहीं है। That means therefore 160 has minimum value of z. This is the answer. सो स्टूडेंट ओनली अनबाउंडेड रीजन है, दैट इज क्लियर कि आपको लास्ट 4 लाइन के अनबाउंडेड रीजन में एक्सप्लेन करना होगा कि वो मिनिमम वैल्यू या मैक्सिमम वैल्यू है या नहीं। सो एक ग्राफ के अंदर एक्सेस 12.1 एंड 12.2 ओनली डिफरेंस राइट स्टार्टिंग फर्स्ट 2 लाइन, दैट इज इक्वेशन बनाना आना चाहिए। सो वर्ड प्रॉब्लम क्वेश्चन, प्लीज रीड द 3 to 4 times वर्ड प्रॉब्लम क्वेश्चन एंड make the equations and make the graph and check the answer. So student, please solve exercise 12.2 is a very important exercise, right? Thank you.